CVC practice. I can read, spell, write words and phrases with CVC words. Sounds. My turn, then your turn. A apple a. E egg a. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up Let's practice some more sounds. Sound, 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 sound. Let's review our sounds together. Ah, y, g, b, wh, a, I, k, j, m, p, x, d. So now we're going to segment some words. My turn first, then your turn. At. My turn, it, your turn. It. My turn, on, your turn. On. My turn, be, your turn. B. My turn, sip, your turn. S. My turn, big, your turn. B. My turn, cub, your turn. B. My turn, tap, your turn. Tap. Okay, so next, say fish. Tap fish. Ish. Say me. Sounds in me, e. Say light. Sounds in light, I, t. Sounds in o, o. Say it. Sounds in it, it. Sounds in hat, at. Sounds in man, an. Sounds in sigh, I. Okay, I'm going to say a few sounds, and you're going to put those sounds together to blend our word. N. What word? Yes, sun. Moon. Yes, moon. Ape. Yes, ape. Yes, mom. Fog. Yes, fog. Net. Yes, net. Now we're going to do some chaining. Okay, so we're going to start with this word. Okay. This word says, yes, nap. Now I'm going to change the last sound in nap. I'm going to change to yes, g. Now my word says, yes, nag. Now I'm going to change the first sound of my word. Now my word says, yes, gag. Tap it out if you need to. This word says, which sound did I change? We went from gag, now we have, yes, gap. I changed the last sound. I'm going from gap to, yes, cap. Which sound did I change? That's right, I changed the first sound. Now I'm going to change another sound. That's right, I changed to, yes, Now my word says, yes, can. I've changed another sound. What's my word now? Yes, pan. Which sound did I change? I changed the first sound. Now my word says, yes, an. Which sound did I change? I did. I changed the first sound. Okay. Now we're going to spell some words. Okay. Listen to the sounds in my word. Say dad. Tap dad. D-ad. There are 3 sounds in dad. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. D, a, d. Let's spell dad. D-A-D. Dad. Next word. Say nap. Tap nap. N-a-p. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. N-a. Let's spell nap. N-A-P. Nap. Next word, say an. Let's tap an. An. There are 2 sounds in an. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. A, n. Let's spell an. A-N. An. Next word, say cap. Tap cap. K-ap. There are 3 sounds in cap. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. K-a-p. And you might be thinking, I heard the k sound at the beginning of that word. I wasn't sure whether to use a C or a K. Well, in this case, because the vowel is A, we're going to use the letter C at the beginning of the word. Let's spell cap. C-A-P. Cap. Say pan. Let's tap pan. P-an. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. P-a-n. Let's spell pan. P-A-N. Pan. So before we move on, we're going to read the words that we just wrote. Okay? First word, yes, dad. Next word, yes, nap. Word, yes, an. Word, yes, cap. Word, yes, pan. Let's look at the phrases that we have here. They're not sentences, but they're parts of a sentence. We call them phrases. Take a minute to read the first phrase. Okay, do the sounds with me. Add, mad, dog, dog. Mad dog. Let's look at the next sentence, or excuse me, the next phrase. An van. So this A can be read A or a. So we can say a van or a van. Let's practice writing some phrases on our own. Say top dog. How many words in top dog? There are 2 words, top dog. Let's take a minute to sound out the words. Sounds in top, top. And we don't want that uppercase because it's just a phrase. Dog, dog, dog. We wrote top dog. Next phrase, we're going to write a van. Go ahead and give it a try. We're going to use the sight word a or a to help us with our phrase. Sounds in van, an. And then we'll read it to check. A van.